Good morning, Roadrunners. I'm Allison. Today is February 17th. Today is a red day for K through 4th grade. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please continue standing for a moment of silence. Please be seated for a positive affirmation with Preston.
Today's affirmation is my feelings matter. Remember, you are your own person, and only you can be yourself.
Thank you, Preston, for that positivity. For lunch today, we will be having delicious cheese pizza, classic pepperoni pizza, sun butter and jelly sandwich with string cheese, and chef salad. On Wednesday, 22nd, it will be a rodeo day, so dress as a cowboy or cowgirl. On Thursday and Friday, there will be no school. On Wednesday, February 22nd, 8th graders will be doing a PSAT in the library. Today will be the last day to go to the book fair.
Middle schoolers, are you ready for another basketball tournament? It'll be on March 9th versus the staff members during the assembly. So go gathering your teams. We'll start next week. Sign up for your teams during lunch. Mr. Arias will be on the courts next week to play against other teams.
See you on the court.
Happy birthday to Addie R. and Riley H. Tomorrow's birthday is Haley T., Zoe E., Cambry G., Akasha G., and Sergio M. The world is a better place because you were born into it. Now it's time for our Ridge statement. Please repeat after us. At the Ridge, we respect each other, show integrity, demonstrate positive attitudes with gratitude and kindness, and lead with excellence in all that we do. That's it for the morning announcements. Please remember our Roadrunner rules. Be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and please be kind. Have a great day, Roadrunners. Beep, beep.